Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade battery. First, you get some copper, like maybe this size, and then some iron, and then I have electrode, and then as you can see I have electrodes hooked up here and here, and this is called a voltmeter. It measures how much energy, but as you can see it's not producing any electricity. But I'm going to show you how. Here's some cardboard, and I soaked it in salt water. Now I put it on top of the copper, and then I put this on top, and then look, it's at 11. And now it's making electricity.